Shall we begin?
In my previous video, I gave the introduction of sample diet of paleo, and today friends, I would like to share benefits of paleo diet in detail. So let's begin. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Indian's Lifestyle in Melbourne. Reduces inflammation. Inflammation is a natural response from your body immune system. When cells are in danger, they send a signal to immune system, and immune system sends it fighter against foreign substances. Friends, this process ensures that the body stays protected and heals the wounds. But friends, due to the processed food causes chronic inflammation. Due to this, there is a damage to our cells, and turn on the immune system releases a constant stress on cells and tissues, lead to a number of diseases. The conditions associated with chronic inflammations like allergies, asthma, migraines, thyroid disorders. By taking paleo foods, keep your immune system strong and prevent inflammatory conditions. Skin clearer and hair growth. Intaking of high value of glycemic index of foods produces oil in skin, that is, pores get easily clogged, leads to different types of skin problems, and there is a loss of hair. By taking antioxidants and omega-3 fatty acids which are in paleo food, protects from sun damage, breakouts in skin, and loss of hair. Improved digestion and less bloating. Indigestion due to carbonated drinks and processed foods. The undigested carbohydrates in your small intestines causing a buildup of hydrogen and methane gas, and there is a gut imbalance. Paleo diet provides probiotic supplements improving the bacterial environment in the gut, which can reduce symptoms of gas and bloating. It provides supplemental enzymes that can help break down indigestive carbohydrates. Leaner muscle tone. Paleo diet helps in gaining muscle without loss of fat, or lose weight without breaking down all your muscle mass. Muscles improves insulin sensitivity, strengthens bones, and reduces risk of fracture and reduces risk of weight gain. Paleo diet accelerates detoxification. The human body deals with toxic burdens, but system cannot handle accumulation of toxins. Paleo diet provides fiber and antioxidants. Fiber provides a binding site for toxins. Antioxidants reduce inflammatory load by eliminating toxins. Paleo diet increases energy production, promoting healthy immune system and optimizing bowel function. Healthier gut. Paleo diet helps digesting food, synthesize vitamins, boost your immune system, and regulates metabolism by removing the foods that irritate the system and restoring it food that promotes its health. By having paleo diet, there is decreased intake of resistant starch broken down by microbes, leading production of chemicals that are known to be good for health. More energy. By having paleo diet increases your energy levels and keep your health strong and allows you to face daily challenges in your lives. So by maintaining paleo diet, you feel more energetic and happiness in your life. I'm going to share what to eat in paleo diet in detail in next videos. If you like this video, please click on like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel and click on bell icon. Thanks for watching.